Residents of Syokimau are counting losses following heavy rains that pounded the area, leaving behind a trail of destruction that affected property and infrastructure. Many of the residents missed work today as the roads were impassable.
As you can see with this El Nino rain, it is quite unfortunate because as people are going to work, they cannot get to work on time because the roads are impassable.
Residents lamented that their continued pleas to the Machakos County government for help have not borne fruits.
We tried to get in touch with the county government and they were not responding to our cry.
According to the Syokimau Residents Association, they identified several areas that are prone to floods, but so far nothing has been done to mitigate the effects of the rains. Locals here say movement to and from the area has become a nightmare whenever it rains heavily.
We took Mavoko sub-county to a tour and identified 7 hot spots.
The Machakos County government sent engineers to repair a section of the road late Friday afternoon after Citizen TV aired a report on the condition on the ground. Meanwhile, 8 of the 10 people who died in a road accident when their car plunged into a river following heavy rains in Gatondo were laid to rest today in a tearful send-off at Kandara, Murang'a County. But even as the heavy rains continue to wreak havoc across the country, the Council of Governors Chairman Peter Munya has called on the national government to release the 4 billion shillings set aside to mitigate the effects of El Nino rain in various counties across the country.
4 billion El Nino Emergency Fund that was promised by the national governments to support county interventions at the local level.
At the same time, Munya has called on Kenyans to cooperate and move to higher grounds to avert further deaths and destruction caused by flooding. Michael Njenga for Citizen Weekend.